Welcome to the second episode of Perfect Pie in Bloemfontein, a perfect sausage roll. I bought the sausage roll here at Bonjour at the Tuttle Garage, the showgrounds. Unfortunately, the Mug and Bean don't sell sausage rolls anymore. But it's a Pieman sausage roll, so I won't buy Piemans anywhere else because I bought it there now. And after learning my lesson the last time for eating a pie in the car, I decided to rather eat it here. Just look at the pie, it looks delicious. Okay, now let's try it. Actually very nice. I'll give this pie a 7.6 out of 10. Thank you guys, till next time. Love you all.